As much as 4704.21 crore of Xiaomi Technology India is held up as of December end as local authorities have attached few of its bank accounts, its Chinese parent said, underlining that smartphone maker is open to enter into settlement negotiations. The wholly owned unit of Xiaomi Corp has been facing investigations and notifications by multiple authorities since December 2021. These include Income Tax Department, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence, and Directorate of Enforcement. These are in relation to compliance of income tax, custom duties, and foreign exchange regulations. Xiaomi Corp is in its 2024 earnings report said the cases in India are currently in hearing stages and are not yet concluded, adding it can receive judgments or enter into settlements that may adversely affect operation results or cash flows. Xiaomi said it has received orders from Indian authorities alleging that it has inappropriately deducted certain costs and expenses, including purchase costs of mobile phones and royalty fees paid to overseas third parties as well as companies within the group. As a result, certain of its bank accounts have been attached and thereby 4704.21 crore has been considered as restrictive as of December 31, 2024. The company noted that its management has assessed matters related to Xiaomi India, taken opinions from professional advisors, and concluded that Xiaomi India has valid grounds to respond to relevant Indian authorities. Quantifying the related financial effects is not practical at this stage, the company said. Xiaomi had a 12% share of India's smartphone market in calendar year 2024, giving it fourth position with Vivo leading the market, followed by Samsung and Oppo, as per market researcher International Data Corporation. Industry executives said that freezing of bank accounts of Xiaomi India has impacted company's operations at the time Modi government is taking a cautious stance on approving fresh equity infusions by Chinese companies as foreign direct investment.